If you wake up already tired, if your body rests but your mind still feels heavy, if your energy doesn't come back even after sleep, then pay attention on it. The problem is not only physical, it's mental, and today you will understand what is draining your energy, because this is not motivation, it is direction, and how to recover it in a practical way. Before we continue, write in the comments here, I will recover my energy. There's a truth many people still don't understand. You are not tired only because of you do what you do. You are tired because of what you carry in your mind. And this is more serious than it seems. Physical fatigue is not solved with rest, but mental fatigue is not solved just by sleeping. I lived this, and there were a season when I slept but woke up without energy. I worked but internally fell behind all the time. It wasn't lack of capacity. It wasn't lack of discipline. It was mental overload. And the more I tried to produce in that state, the more exhausted I became, until I understood something that changed my rhythm. Mental fatigue doesn't come from too much work. It comes from disorganized internal load. An ancient writer in the book of Eternal Knowledge says, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." This is deep. This problem is not only being tired, it's being overloaded. And overload is not just a full schedule, it's a full mind. Pay attention to this because it changes everything. Your energy is not ending, it is being drained. Do you believe that? And this happens daily, silently. Open thoughts, undecided decisions, unnecessary worries, all of this consume energy. Open thoughts drain. When you keep returning to the same issue without closing it, without deciding, your mind keeps working, even when you stop. Undecided decisions wait. What is postponed doesn't disappear, just not disappear. It stays occupying space on your mind, and everything that occupies space in your mind consumes energy. And necessary worries exhaust. You start to live problems that haven't even happened, and that drains you because you are spending energy on something that is not real in the present. And another writing says, casting all your anxiety on him because he cares of you. This is not only spiritual, it's strategic. You need to release what you were not designed to carry. Pay attention on it. And this corrects to something I teach in the book, when the talent isn't enough. Here, right here. Many people are not without energy. They are directed energy. Energy without direction becomes exhaustion. But energy with the direction becomes construction. Now, because this is real direction. If you want to recover your energy, you don't start by doing more. Doing more will not solve your problem. You start by removing what is draining you. And what's draining you? You have to close cycles. There are things in your mind that require decisions. When you don't decide, you have something open. But when you decide, you close cycles. Decision is not only progress, it is mental relief. And this is what you need. This is what you are looking for. Reduce unnecessary load. Not everything you are carrying is your responsibility. And until you separate that, you will remain tired. Reorganize your direction. Your mind needs to know where to go. Clarity restores energy. Lack of clarity drains it. And if you are listening right now in your car, in traffic, getting ready for or starting your day, understand this. You don't need more energy. You don't need beverages to give you energy. You need to stop wasting the energy you already have. Keep this with you today. Mental fatigue is not too much effort. It is too many things occupying your mind without order. Reorganize and your energy returns. If this message brought you direction today, subscribe to the channel right here and share it with someone who is mentally exhausted and needs to hear this. You don't overcome fatigue just by resting. You overcome it by reorganizing what is within you. Right decisions at the right time completely change the course of your life. Live with principles, decide with awareness, and walk in fullness. God bless your weekend, and I see you here in Fullness School the next week. See you.